simplicity. Appreciate nature. Cherish moments. Let you go worried. It's time for me to go. I think this site is good for my apartment. Sir, I have hired to cut down this tree. It's difficult to construct my apartment. No, you can't cut this tree. Why not? Anyhow, I want to construct my apartment here. These trees have seen generations to grow. It provides shade and oxygen for all living beings. It provides home for birds. I understand, but progress requires sacrifices. Progress? You call destroying nature progress? This tree is life. I won't let you harm this tree. Find another way. You know, my grandfather used to tell me stories about trees. Now I can no longer live a country life. Get lost from here. Huh. Who thought this day would come? Who thought the sky would fall upon our heads? You are destroying nature, trees, mountains, and killing these people. You are destroying generations. You can't sustain to grow. One day, you will definitely suffer. Cut down this tree. I want to make an apartment here. Do fast. There is no one. I will dump my waste here. Wow, it's a jackpot. Rotting food and fish everywhere. This is our paradise. Humans have no idea what they are giving us. They are clueless. We thrive in this mess. Today, I want to spread diseases in school, colleges. Ha 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 ha. We want to multiply more and more. Doctor, the patient condition is worsening. IV fluids aren't seeming to help. He has dehydration. It concerns electrolyte imbalance. Sir, doctor, please save me. I will die soon. What happened? I drank from a well nearby and ate some street food. If you underrated me. What happens in this world? More patients are coming, spreading diseases everywhere. All are experiencing diarrhea and vomiting. It will not work in my hands. Situation is becoming more critical. Something happening outside. Let's go out and find the reason why. addressing sanitation and hygiene. We need a comprehensive solution improving waste management.